guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Fatima Kasuri and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope आप सबका रमज़ान बहुत 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 अच्छा गुजरा होगा and a very happy Eid Mubarak to all of you in advance from me. तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आज मैंने इतनी फैंसी सी लुक बनाई हुई है, मैं आपको क्या इस वीडियो में सिखाने वाली हूँ. So today's video is on how to create this look. Basically ये makeup look जो कि it's kind of glam, but it's like daytime glam, which means कि it's perfect for Eid. अगर अपने दिन के वक्त ईद में कहीं जाना है, कोई function है. So are you ready? Let's go. First step, you should always sanitize your hands. So I'm going to use this hand sanitizer to sanitize my hands. So we're going to start off with this primer. It's a photo finish by Smashbox. Just gonna take a little bit. So we're gonna start with the corrector, any corrector, anything which has orangey brown tint to it to cover the dark circles and any scars or anything you have on your face. Next, I'm going to use the foundation. The one that I normally use is a Luminous Skin Foundation by Giorgio Armani. But this is also a very good option. It's True Match by L'Oreal. And don't get scared after you put the corrector. You're going to look like you have brown circles around your eyes, which is fine. I'm just going to show you how to cover that up in a minute. Next, I'm going to apply a concealer. So now I'm going to set it with this powder. So next, I'm going to fix my eyebrows. And for that, I will be using this Brow Kit by Benefit. These two brushes and a brown eye pencil. So first I'm going to use the eye pencil. After that I'm going to brush my eyebrows with this brush. And then I'm going to use this brush to just kind of put a little bit of this brow powder. Next, I'm going to contour and highlight, and for the contour, I'm going to be using Laguna by NARS and this brush, which is kind of like slanted. And you have to kind of make your face like a fish face, like this. I'm going to contour my nose using the same powder and this brush, any brush which is kind of like slanted. Okay, next step है अब इसको blend करना. So I'm going to use this stipple brush by MAC. और ये बहुत 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 अच्छा ब्रश है, and it's an essential brush. I can't do my makeup without this brush. So next I'm gonna use blush on, and I like to mix these two shades. So you can mix peach and pink. These are both by MAC. One is called Melba and the other one is called Dainty. So now I'm gonna start with the eye makeup. I'm gonna wear like a tea pink kind of an outfit. So I wanna go with like a shimmery pink and a nice eyeliner, but like a soft look so it goes well with the daytime. So as usual, as always, we're gonna start with the transition shade. So you can use any neutral shade, kind of like anything which goes with your skin tone. I like to use this color by Urban Decay. It's called Naked. So I can't really show you this. You know what, guys? It broke. Look, it's all broken. But I love this shade and I don't like wasting makeup. So I'm gonna manage with this one. So you kind of take the eyeshadow and sweep it all over the lid. I think I forgot to mention, when I was putting the concealer on, I put some on my eyelid too. After the concealer on your eyelid, this would be the next step. So to make the crease of the eyelid, I'm gonna be using this palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna be using these shades, Henna and Sandalwood. So I'm gonna kind of just mix these up, and I'm gonna use this angle brush and just a little bit of cocoa. Next step, I'm just going to blend it out with this brush. As the outfit is a little fancy, it's kind of shimmerish, but again, it's daytime, so I want to use something pinkish but not something which is too much for the daytime. So I'm gonna use this color. It's called Toasted by Naked. So next I'm gonna use this highlighter by Huda Beauty. This palette is very nice. You can use it on your cheeks, your eyes, anywhere on your face. So basically today I want to give a shimmery look. So I'm gonna use this and using the same highlighter, I'm gonna use it here in the inner corner of the eye. So this makes your eye kind of pop out, makes it look brighter. It opens up your eye. For daytime, this is really nice, as you don't want a lot of dark black lines on your face. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this color here, Hustle, and mix it up with a little bit of this dark horse. I'm gonna use this brush. कैसे लगी आपको आज की वीडियो. If you like the video, do like it and comment below and let me know what you thought. Also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. And don't forget to click the bell icon so every time I post a video, you get notified. And on that note, I'd like to make an announcement. Yes, an announcement. I'm going to be holding a contest. So, आप में से जितने लोग ये मेकअप लुक ट्राई करेंगे ईद पर, of course आप पिक्चर्स तो लेंगे, सारे पिक्चर्स लेते हैं. So when you do take a picture and post it on Instagram, don't forget to use this hashtag so that I can pick a winner. And I will be posting the details of this contest, the Eid contest, on my Instagram account soon. So stay tuned. Once again, a very, very happy and a blessed Ramadan to all of you. Love you. Bye. Basically, in this video, I'm gonna
The what?
कहाँ से? कहाँ से?